How to unfollow everyone on Facebook. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your Facebook feed or just need a fresh start, today I've got a quick and easy tutorial to show you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook app or head to the website on your computer. We're going to start by going to your profile page. So tap on your profile. Once on your profile, you go to the Friends tab. It's right under your cover photo. Now, under the following section here, you can find people who you are following. Now, to unfollow somebody, simply tap on three horizontal bars or three dots and simply tap on unfollow. And let's check whether we have unfollowed and quickly refresh. And as you can see, we have unfollowed everyone. Now you've unfollowed them. If you want to do this for everyone, just repeat this for each person or page. And that's it. That's how you simply unfollow everyone on Facebook.